Welcome back, Smart RVers, to another Fast Tip Friday. I'm Eric Stark, the host of the Smart RVer podcast. Today we're going to be talking about the Carefree of Colorado Soft Connect. So if you own a Carefree of Colorado patio awning with a rigid aluminum cover, also known as a Uniguard, it is connected to the side of your RV with the vinyl connector that Carefree calls a Soft Connect. And just like any other vinyl product that's exposed to the sun, these soft connects will fail over time and it will need to be replaced. But replacing is not a big deal. It's a do-it-yourself project. I highly recommend having two persons do it, so you and a helper, and you're going to be up on ladders, so make sure they're comfortable on a ladder, but it's definitely a do-it-yourself project, and you don't have to remove the awning from the side of the RV, which makes it even easier to do. Now, if you happen to be replacing your awning fabric at the same time, that changes how you're going to do it, but it's still a do-it-yourself process, and you don't have to take the awning arms off the side of the RV. It's still easy to do. It just adds a little bit more time to the awning fabric job, but that's it. Now, what exactly is a Carefree of Colorado Soft Connect? Well, it's the vinyl section that connects the awning to the side of the RV, or it connects the Uniguard cover to the side of the RV. So this bead right here, or polycord, attaches to the awning rail, slides right in. This one would go into the Uniguard cover. Then the other side of the Uniguard cover has another groove in it that the awning fabric attaches to. And I'm sorry I don't have a Uniguard cover today to show you what one looks like, but we will put a picture up in this video, which you're probably looking at right now. So this Soft Connect comes either 4 1/4 or 5 1/4 inches wide, and it's important that you know the difference. It makes a big difference on how the awning is going to work. You have to go back with the same width, 4 1/4 or 5 1/4. It's imperative that you do that. It's available in black and white. Those are the two colors that would match just about any awning hardware and fabric out there. So how is it made? It's precision cut on a cutting table, and then the polycords are welded into it. So what that does, it removes the thread and the sewing and the imperfections that can come from that, and the thread that can rot away over time or prematurely. So the premium soft connection is made from high quality vinyl that's going to last for many years to come. So what do you need to know to order one? So do not guess at the measurements. As I already said, you need to make sure on the width. So it's going to be 4 1/4 or 5 1/4 inches wide, including the polycord. So that's part of the measurement. And the length is going to be whatever the length of your aluminum or the rigid cover is, the Uniguard cover. So if it's 19 feet, that's the length of the Uniguard cover. But we do make these at 21 feet. So when you receive it, you just cut it down to 19 feet if that's the size of your Uniguard cover. Or if you're uncomfortable with cutting it down, you just tell us and we'll cut it to size and ship it to you that way. Either way though, you're ordering a 21-foot soft connection. That's just how we're making them. And they ship right away, pretty easy to do. So this is going to replace any Carefree of Colorado Soft Connect for the Uniguard patio awning cover. Nice quality product, and it's made by Sun Pro Manufacturing, just so you're aware of that. So I want to thank you for stopping by today and checking out this video, and I'll see you in the next one. And if you need more details, it's going to be in the description box below, so you can check out the links there. And don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe.